These are the internals out of the Turbo-400 automatic transmission. Are you interested in learning how to tear down your Turbo-400? Don't go anywhere. Hey, what's going on? My name's Robert and I'm with the Southpaw Autoworks YouTube channel. We just released another video. This one's all about the teardown or disassembly of the Turbo-400. This video is led by Andy, who has over 40 years of experience with automatic transmissions. He's gonna go through all the basics and share some tips and tricks along the way. You can access all these detailed videos by visiting Southpaw Autoworks on YouTube. Once again, my name's Robert and I will see you over at Southpaw Autoworks.